Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can export transparent background, a logo that is doesn't have a background. Okay, how you can export a logo with a transparent background. Okay, so let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. Okay, I have here this example, actually this one maybe, or this one. Okay, I'm gonna use this one first. Select and then go in a Fusion page, and now we should have this beautiful stuff. And now the next step is very important. Now make sure you select media in and shift plus space, and here write chroma key. Okay, this one, and click on add, and now expand color range. Alright, and just play with the settings. Red, no red. Okay, we want this is not the best, but it's pretty hard for that type of logo. Like the video is not the best example. Now this one, add chroma key. Now let's try with this one. Is green. And that's it. Now if you want to export, you have to go to export page, and here make sure you use the settings use for codec. This one, as you can see here, and the next one HR, and the next one you see here 12-bit with 12 with this. Okay, perfect. And also make sure you select you check export alpha, and now that's about it. And as you can see, we have a transparent background. I just imported this video. I exported, and as you can see, we have a transparent background. So thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more Davinci tutorials. Okay, thank you for watching, and take care.